unraveling the mystery of humpback whales' bubble net feeding, a unique strategy that stands alone. Imagine a scene straight out of a nature documentary. Majestic humpback whales, known for their size and grace, perform an extraordinary feeding technique that sets them apart from all other whale species. This captivating method, known as bubble net feeding, involves the whales creating a ring of bubbles underwater, encircling their prey and guiding them into a tight cluster before consuming them. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating phenomenon. Across the globe, from the frigid waters of the Antarctic Peninsula to the warmer seas off the coast of Australia and the Gulf of Maine, humpback whales have been observed employing this ingenious tactic. But what makes them the sole practitioners of this feeding style? Researchers, led by Cameron Nemeth, a recent graduate from the University of Hawaiʻi at Mānoa, sought to uncover the secrets behind this remarkable behavior. By examining the whale's anatomy and the biomechanics involved in underwater spiraling, Nemeth and his team aimed to shed light on how these giants execute such a complex maneuver. What they discovered was nothing short of astonishing. The key to the whale's success lies in their massive pectoral flippers, which enable them to perform acrobatic-like movements with ease. While most whales have relatively small flippers, humpbacks possess unusually large ones, enhancing their maneuverability in water. These flippers contribute significantly to the force needed for turning, making the bubble net feeding strategy highly efficient. In contrast, other whale species would require significantly more energy to replicate this behavior, rendering it impractical for them. To gather their data, the research team utilized drone footage and non-invasive suction cup tags to track the whale's movements. This approach allowed them to accurately measure the turning performance required for bubble net feeding. The results revealed that humpbacks can generate nearly half of the force needed for turning, using their pectoral flippers alone, showcasing their exceptional agility. According to Nemeth, the whale's movements can be likened to those of underwater fighter pilots, executing maneuvers akin to scenes from a blockbuster movie. This analogy highlights the whale's ability to maintain speed while making tight turns, adjusting their body's roll angle, and accelerating rapidly to engulf their prey. It's a display of precision and skill that is truly breathtaking. The study also emphasizes the importance of drones in marine research. By capturing aerial footage of the tagged whales, the team was able to estimate the length and mass of each individual, providing the most accurate force estimates during bubble net feeding. This technological advancement played a crucial role in unraveling the mystery behind this unique feeding strategy. Nemeth's dedication to his research is evident in his efforts to make the findings accessible in the Hawaiian language. Working closely with the journal, he included a translated abstract for the paper, setting a precedent for future publications from the lab. Nemeth plans to continue his research with the Institute and transition to a PhD program in late 2026, where he will lead the lab's work on humpback whales. So, what does this mean for our understanding of humpback whales and their feeding habits? The discovery of their bubble net feeding strategy not only highlights their adaptability and intelligence, but also underscores the significance of studying whale behavior. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the ocean, it becomes increasingly clear that there is still much to learn about these magnificent creatures and their unique abilities.